Now, what about the case of the y-axis? Now, let's come in here and say ggplot. Okay, we're using empty cast dataset. We want to create a scatterplot. Okay, and let's specify the aesthetics, which is the displacement miles per gallon. Okay, now we want to add the scale. So if you come in here, I'm gonna move this a little bit. So if you come in here and you say scale underscore y continuous, remember our y-axis are also continuous. Okay, so first let us modify the name. So in this case it's miles per gallon, right? So if you run this, so let us also specify the limit. Say in this case the limit will go, say let us use 0 to, let's say, 45. Okay, let's also go ahead and specify the brakes, right? And now let us pass in this vector, say 0, 15, 30, then it's 45. Now let us come to the position. Say for example we want to change this position to be on the right. So in that case we come in here and specify position, and we're gonna pass in right. So the string right will modify the position of the y-axis to be on the right. So let's run this to see all of the things that you have modified. So first, the brakes, you can see 0, 15, 30, and then it's 45. Then when it's come to the position of this y-axis, it's now on the right. Okay, so that is what we've managed to modify. Remember, we can also change the labels, right? The default one we can see here, it's 0, 15, 30, then it's 45. Okay, so if we come in here and say labels, okay, and say this here is going to be 0, and then it's 15, then it's 30, then it's 45. So let's try to run this. So you observe that they remain the same because we simply just passed in this vector which contained these same labels as previously. So that is how you can also modify your axis by making use of these functions. However, in this case, our axes were continuous. What if we are dealing with a case where the axes are discrete or categorical?